ISR 9 న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. శ్రీ సిటీ సమావేశంలో ఏపీ సీఎం నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు శ్రీ సిటీలో జగన్ చేసిన నిర్వాకాలు ఒక్కసారి కూడా శ్రీ సిటీని సందర్శించలేదు. కంపెనీలు తేవాలి, ఉద్యోగాలు తేవాలనే తపన లేదు. ఇక్కడ నడుస్తున్న కంపెనీలకు ఇన్సెంటివ్స్ అన్ని పెండింగ్ పెట్టారు. అన్నింటికంటే ఘోరంగా విపరీతంగా పన్నులు పెంచేసి శ్రీ సిటీలో 8,000 ఎకరాల్లో పారిశ్రామిక జోన్లు ఏర్పడ్డాయి. 30 దేశాలకు చెందిన 220 కంపెనీలు ఇక్కడ నెలకొన్నాయి. $4.5 బిలియన్ పెట్టుబడులతో, $4 బిలియన్ ఎగుమతులతో శ్రీ సిటీ ఒక గొప్ప పారిశ్రామిక కేంద్రంగా రూపుదిద్దుకుంది.
Anybody will go to anywhere in the world, there is Indian. If you go to posh locality, there Indians are living. All these things are happened within 25 years' time. You are seeing Hyderabad today, one of the most livable city in India. That is the best city today. That is the infrastructure we created. Coming to this area, I really appreciate Chairman Srin Raju and also Ravichandra Sannareddy. He has done very good work here, around 8,000 acres of land. And also the way they have conceived the project, I am very happy. They have done extremely well. It is a unique project. As on today, around 8,000 acres. And also special economic zone, domestic tariff zone, free trade warehousing zone, and electronics manufacturing clusters. Everything they have established here. So far, 220 companies they are able to mobilize here. That is an amazing work they have done. 30 countries are present here. It is a unique experience. Always we are talking about bring foreign investment, everything. This is one example where different countries, 30 countries are present in one premises. Here, various industries, automotive, electronics, FMCG, food processing and various industries are located here, and also $4.5 billion investment. Export alone nearly $4 billion. It is a very amazing experiment they have done. Some of our friends, Japanese firms, they told me power incentives, power quality, property tax, acceleration, and also Torre, improve public governance, improve transparency, accountability, EDV, road shows to Japan, Korea and US to attract investment, Isuzu. Again, he invited me to come to Japan, certainly. And also, Daikin Global Air Condition exports from Sri City. Skilling. He referred about skilling in a big way. That is one more request he has done. For the last 5 years, my successor never visited this place. That itself is an indication you don't know the value of investment. Generally, in India also, not all, majority are working for investment and creating employment. We used to compete with each other. There were days states used to compete with each other. Huge incentives are pending. I am aware. I was inherited very bad treasury. There is no money, but we will create wealth at the earliest installment wise. I will release all your incentives. That is my commitment. I will do it. And also infrastructure gaps such as road, industrial water, power. This is another issue is there for industries. That also will do. Even irrational high tariffs. Even water, they increased abnormally. I have seen that. And also other inputs also. I am assuring you, immediately we will rationalize. Very soon I am going to bring a policy. There I am giving very clear clarity for all of you. We will do it. We will reduce. We will bring competitive price. Even original price what you have given at that time. That is how I am going to get that policy also.